Now application number 2, application to your principal for joining an educational trip. The starting 4 lines are going to be the same. The principal, comma, high school, comma, vacant, full stop. Respected sir, comma, then the body of the application according to the requirement of the application. So most respectfully it is stated that our class 7th A wants to go on an educational trip to Texla Museum. It is the main center of relics of Gandhara civilization. The remains of Gandhara sculpture are preserved here. Relics are the remains of Gandhara civilization. So such trip increase the practical knowledge of students. Side by side, it gives an opportunity of enjoyment. That is why we are keen to go there. We therefore request you to arrange a trip for us. And in the new line we write, we shall be very thankful to you. And then in the new line on the left hand side we write your obediently name, class and date. Dear student, this is the proper way that you have to do your work on your copies. That you have to give the heading of application in 1.5 line and then write the name of the application and then start your application. Hopefully you have got all the points. Do your work neatly in your neat copies. Thanks. Have a nice day.